Rise and shine, Gigi. It's a new day. We're in Malaysia and we're going with our friend Haim to have breakfast. Yes. Special breakfast for special people. Let's go.
And as we have arrived, there's a lot of people now. There's a lot of people having a lot of food.
There's a lot of people. All of them are here at 8:30 in the morning looking for the same thing that we are looking for, which is Nasi Lemak, the best breakfast you can have here in Johor Bahru. Let's go. Let's have it. Sit there?
Okay, I'm gonna get a table. And you
table?
Okay,
Yes.
and you know what to get.
Hello. Nasi Lemak. Yay. Finally, we're getting some food.
Biasa mami telur tak? Meme lontong dia. Ada.
You want chicken?
Yes, chicken. Yes. Everything looks here so good, so if she asks me if I want it, I want it. Oh, special one. Thank you. One for you, Gigi. One for me.
Saya tak mau ayam. Saya nak telur.
Okay.
Thank you.
They will come later.
Let's go and sit down and try the food. I just learned that te-o and kopi-o means coffee without milk or tea without milk, and te or coffee means with milk. So, interesting. This looks so nice, but I'm waiting for Gigi to come back with whatever she's getting.
Can I have some teo and one iced coffee? Hi. Can I have one teo and one iced tea, please? The ice and teo. So, iced tea is like tea ice, and teo, I don't know what it is, but our friend told us he drinks that, so we're gonna see what this is exactly.
This is one of the best Nasi Lemak here in Johor Bahru, and everybody's here early morning trying it out. So this is what we're gonna do. It's almost 9 a.m. and this is what we're gonna try.
Let's go.
Okay. What's so special about it? So basically, Nasi Lemak. Nasi means rice, and Lemak means rich, as our friend here Haim told.
Yes. Right? Are we right or are we saying something bad?
It is cooked with coconut.
Coconut.
Milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut.
Okay.
That's what it makes it so special, right? It has a bit of a greenish color. Sorry.
Very good.
It has a lot of spices inside.
So you have this green rice, floating rice, some chicken, some egg, some spicy sauce, some peanuts, and some Gigi.
It looks tasty. I mean, I think we're gonna get used to rice this time.
It might be mixed with the gravy.
Mixed with the gravy. Okay. Like one of the things that differentiates one Nasi Lemak from the other, so I've heard, is the taste, is the gravy actually. So let's try it out.
Mmm, very good, sweet, spicy, amazing.
It has the fish flavor.
Yes, fish flavor, very good, dry fish. I love it.
It's spicy.
Spicy?
Spicy. It's okay, it's good. Let's mix it with some eggs.
Let me see the chicken. Good chicken. Gigi, how did you finish your chicken? How did you peel your chicken faster than me? I was struggling with the chicken and you were faster. Oh, the chicken is so good and crispy. Mmm, very good chicken. And you have curry leaves and you have eggs also. Basically, it's a full breakfast for the day. You get a lot of protein, you get a lot of nutrients to keep you going the whole day.
Michael,
Very
you
good.
should tell the people the truth. This is your first time trying Nasi Lemak.
Is it your first time trying Nasi Lemak as well? And it's amazing. I can understand why people like it so much. And I can understand why the place is packed.
I don't know what's the place name.
Hello, thank you so much.
Hello, thank you.
What is
you.
this place name?
No, smoking English.
Nama warung.
Oh, apa ini? Warung hijau pokok ceri.
Warung Hijau Pokok Cherry. Warung Hijau Pokok Cherry.
betul.
Johor Bahru. Very good place.
Thank you. We have our drinks coming up.
Yay! Cheers.
Cheers on the tea.
Sweet. Sweet tea. Oh.
This is actually very good. I like the chicken.
It is cooked with spices.
The chicken, these are the spices, right?
These are thin flour. Flour mixed with spices.
This is a curry leaf
Yeah.
and it can be eaten.
Gigi, you're such a savage.
I saw that in Singapore.
Basically, it's good for the health. Curry leaf.
It's bio. Doesn't get more bio than eating leaf. But I like the crunch of the chicken, eh? You can open it like this. It makes a sound. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it makes a sound. Such a savage. I mean,
So good. I can get used to this as a breakfast all day long. This is the perfect combination for a breakfast. The only problem is that too much rice makes me sleepy. So if I eat a lot of rice, I will fall back asleep. Yes. But so far it's good. The coconut milk goes very well with the rice, and this gravy sauce type of thing with the fish. So good, so good, so good. And the chicken and the egg, everything. It's a good combination of everything in a plate.
It's a simple dish, I would say, but like what makes it rich is the all the flavors, the peanuts, the sauce that tastes like fish, and this crispy chicken.
Bangladeshi fried chicken.
It's really good.
I have only one question. Why do they have it as a breakfast thing and not the whole day?
Because it's finished very early.
They need the thing.
Yeah. But I was trying to get it also in the middle of the day, but not available.
Maybe some place are there.
Okay. But this place, which is the best one of the best ones, this has it in the morning. And if you want to come at 11 or at 10, no more available. Everything is finished. So you better come early in the morning, otherwise you're screwed. No more Nasi Lemak for you. Everybody here is eating more or less the same thing.
Yes, exactly the same thing.
So now Michael the trash can is back, finishing Gigi's food, because I finished my food. And now I have to finish Gigi's one as well.
Thank you, Michael, saving me. I still have to increase the volume of my stomach because
This nasi is so lemak, and I'm full right now. I think I will go out to sleep after this. Yes.
it's a perfect meal to get breakfast and then finish it.
But you left all this good sauce on the plate. You're supposed to mix it, Gigi, together. All this sauce means flavor. Sauce means flavor. Flavor means better.
Yes, Michael. You like it?
She ordered kaspak.
Kaspak?
Kaspak.
Kaspak. What is kaspak?
They want to sorry.
Oh, they parked
Can
it.
be all the way down.
Oh my goodness, there's a line of cars here.
Yes, people are queuing up to come here. Cars are being parked. Basically, guys, wait. So I finished. Let me show you around. So we are in a small shack. Just look at this. We are in a small shack behind us, and literally we're on the side of the road. There's a bridge here crossing this intersection, and if you don't really know about this place, you cannot find it because it's very well hidden beneath these bushes and trees, which is very good because during the hot summer days it gets very hot. So yeah, it offers natural protection. And as you can see, all these cars here, they are parked and they are waiting to get their Nasi Lemak. Everybody's coming here in this small shack to get their food. Amazing! Okay, after the nice meal, we have to pay the lady for the food because the food was super nice. So let's see how much it is. Oh, even for paying, you have to queue up. A lot of people.
Ayam telur dua set, lemak telur, air dua, teh satu. Semua dapat 7.5%.
How much is it for two people?
27.50 for 3.
27.50 for three. Okay, that means 9. You paid already for all of us?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you
No.
back. Come on, no. Okay. Hello. Nasi Lemak power. Hey! Nice people. After this wonderful breakfast, I can tell you a little bit about Nasi Lemak. So, basically this dish was a special dish back in the day. It used to be like the food for special holidays, for special occasions. You would have a whole family together, you would share a bowl of Nasi Lemak, and everybody was happy and enjoying life because it's a very rich and flavorful food. But nowadays, because this got so popular, you can have it more or less every day and everywhere in Malaysia. And one of the best places to find it is like this small kind of shops like the one we went at, and these warungs, kind of small places, and it's very good and very rich and very fulfilling. What a perfect way to start our Malaysian tour of videos, then with sharing a bowl of Nasi Lemak with the nice people of Johor Bahru, and with Gigi, and with Haim, and with everybody around here. So that being said, guys, today has been an interesting morning. We got up early, we went for the breakfast, and now I think I'm going back to sleep because I had too much rice, at least for 1 hour, and then we can continue exploring this interesting city of Johor Bahru. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do the things that you do, help us make more videos. And people of Malaysia, watch out, we're coming strong. Dodo Explorers are here. Bye. See you in the next one. What you doing, Packet? What you doing, Packet? Who likes belly rubs? Another one is minding his business. Who likes belly rubs? Belly, 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 belly rubs. Oh, belly rubs. Belly, 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 belly rubs. More human, please, more. I want more. I want more. Okay.